Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you guys? How are you girls? Today, inshallah, we will study new invert, new very important lesson, which is areas of some solids. Areas of some solids. Okay, let's go to start by the prism. What about prism, guys? Prism is a three-dimensional figure which has two parallel and congruent faces which are called bases. Okay, and the other faces are lateral faces, and you can name the prism as its base. For example, this prism is a quadrilateral prism because it's based as a quadrilateral, but this one is called triangular prism, and the last one here is count your sides hexagonal prism. Okay, but what about rules of areas of the prism? Okay, you have lateral area and total area. Lateral area means sum of areas of side faces, but total area is the sum of areas of all faces of the solid. Okay, so what about lateral area? Lateral area of the prism is perimeter of its base multiply height. Perimeter of its base multiply by height. Okay, so we can say lateral area equal perimeter of its base time height ph. P for pen represent perimeter. Okay, but what about total area? Total area is sum of lateral area, okay, and two opposite parallel bases. Okay, lateral area, okay, means side faces and two opposite parallel bases. Okay, so we can say total area of the prism equal lateral area plus 2 times base area. For example, find the total area of this prism. Okay, first we need two main things. Number one, perimeter of the base. Number two, area of the base. Perimeter of the base. The base here is a quadrilateral, represent rectangle. So we can find the perimeter of it by 4 plus 2 all times 2, or 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2, as you like. Okay, it will be 12. Then what about base area? What's the area of rectangle? Length times width. 2 times 4. It will be 8. Then now you can find total area. What's the total area? Total area is the lateral area plus 2 times base area. What about lateral area? Lateral area is the perimeter time height. The perimeter here is 12 time height, which is 6 plus 2 times base area, 2 times 8. Then 12 times 6, it will be 72, plus 8 times 2, 16. Then add them to be 88. 88 inch square because it's area. This number one, prism. Number two, slender. What about slender? Slender is a polyhedron, is a three-dimensional solid. It has two parallel bases and congruent as a circle, okay? And it has a height. It has a height between them. Okay. First, you must know the base of the cylinder as a circle. What's the perimeter of circle? 2 pi r. What's the area of the circle? Pi r square. Okay, what about rules of lateral and total area? Okay, like the prism. But you have a difference between them as a base. Yes, base of the cylinder must be circle. But base of the prism maybe square, maybe quadrilateral in general, maybe triangle, maybe pentagon, maybe hexagon, and so on. But cylinder, the base of it must be circle. So we can say lateral area equal perimeter of its base time height. It will be 2 by r height. 2 by r height. But total area equal lateral area plus 2 times base area. So finally we can say lateral area equal 2 by r height. Total area equal lateral area plus 2 by r square height. 2 by r square height. Okay, for example, Find total area of the opposite cylinder. First, we need perimeter of the base and area of the base. Perimeter of the base is given is 44. But how to find base area? Here you need the radius. What about radius here? How to find the radius? Perimeter of the circle means circumference of the circle means 2 pi r. So we can say 2 pi r equals 44. Okay, and how to find radius here? Okay, really? You know that pi equal 22 over 7. Okay, you can substitute by it. 2 times 22 over 7 times radius equals 44. Okay, then if you multiply 2 times 22, it will be 44. Here 44 and here 44, you can cancel them. And cross multiplication, then radius equals 7. So you got radius equals 7. How to find it? Base area by r square equals 22 over 7 times 7 square. It will be 154. This area of the base. And let's go to total area. Total area equal lateral area plus 2 times base area. Okay, what about lateral area? Lateral area of the cylinder 2 pi r. 2 pi r height. 2 pi r height. So 2 times 22 over 7 times radius, which is 7, times height, which is 5, and plus 2 times base area. 2 times 154. You got it. Okay? Then you can evaluate it using calculator as you like. So, okay. Okay, it will be first 7 cancelled with 7. It will be 2 times 22 times 5. It will be 220. 220 plus 2 times 154. It will be 528. 528 centimeter square because it's area. Number 3, pyramid. What about pyramid? Pyramid like prism, but it has one base, not two bases. So pyramid has base and vertex. Base and vertex. So this point is called vertex of the pyramid. Vertex of the pyramid. But this one is called base. It's called base. Okay, and in the pyramid, you have another concept. Okay, like slant height. You have two types of height here. Height of the pyramid means the height inside, perpendicular to its geometric center. Okay, like this one, this one. But height in any side face is called slant height. Slant height, which is L, which is L. Okay, so you have two heights. One of them is height of the pyramid, okay, which is perpendicular to geometric center of the pyramid, and slant height, which is perpendicular to one of one of side faces. Okay, if you form it by them, okay, it will be right angle triangle between slant height, and height, L and H. Okay, what about lateral area? Lateral area of the pyramid equal half perimeter of its base times slant height, half PL, half PL. But total area equal lateral area plus base area without time 2, because pyramid just has one base, one base. Okay, so if you want to find total area, so you must find lateral area. And if you want to find lateral area, you need slant height, not height, not height. For example, find the total area of this figure first. What's this figure? Yes, this figure is a square pyramid, Okay, so first I need perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base is perimeter of square, like 5 times 4, because perimeter of square side by 4. It will be 20. Then, what about base area? Base area is area of the square equal side power 2 or side times side equal 5 power 2. It will be 25. And what about slant height? Is ready here? Yes, ready. Slant height here is 6. So how to find total area now? Total area equals lateral area plus base area. Lateral area equals what? Lateral area is half PL. Half PL plus base area. Okay. It's direct substitution. Half times perimeter of its base, which is 20, times slant height, which is 6, plus base area, which is 25. Okay, you can calculate that. It will be 85 meters square because it's area. Okay, the last shape with me, guys, is cone. What about cone? Cone is a polyhedron, okay, like Slender, but it has one base. Like Slender, but it has one base, okay. This base as a circle, and you have also slant height and height. Slant height and height, okay. And the side between them is called radius. Radius of what? Of what? Of the base of the circle, okay. So you have a right angle triangle between length of slant height of the cone and the height of the cone and radius of the base of the cone. What about rules? Lateral area of the cone is pi RL, but total area of the cone is pi RL, which is lateral area, plus pi R square. Total area of the cone is pi RL plus pi R square. Okay, for example, find the total area of this question. Okay, first, we need to mention items with me, okay? First, we need radius. Second, we need slant height. Okay? Okay, just you need that? Yes, because what about areas? What about lateral or total areas? Depend on pi, r, and l. So you need pi, okay, it's easy. Pi is 22 over 7, okay? And you need radius and slant height. Radius here, yes, you must note that. What this? Yes, diameter is 14. So the radius, half of it is 7. What about slant height? What this? What about 24? 24 is what? Is, yes, good, is height. Good. What about slant height? We need that. What about slant height? Yes, you can find it by the right angle triangle using, yes, Pythagorean theorem, Pythagoras theorem. How to find that? Here, it's a hypotenuse, so you can find that by 24 power 2 plus, yes, this side, this radius, 7 power 2 under square root to be 25. So slant height is 25. Then you can find total area. Total area equals what? What's the rule? Pi r L plus 2 pi r L plus by r square plus by r square. Okay, again, what's the rule of the lateral area and total area? Lateral area equal pi r L. Total area equal pi r L plus by r square. Okay, equals pi, which is 22 over 7, times radius, which is 7, times length height, which is 25, plus pi, which is 22 over 7 plus, times 100 times 7 power 2, which is r square. Then you can evaluate it, okay? It will be, first, you must multiply, okay? 22 over 7 times 7 times 25, okay? It will be 550, okay? Plus 22 over 7 times 7 power 2, it will be 154. Then add them, it will be 704. 704, here no units, so I will write square units because it's area. Square units. Thank you for listening. Meet you after, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.